Gonna build this team section. So for that, what we can do, we can just add a new container. Okay, and after that we're gonna build this team section. So for that also we can use this color like BG. Okay, so here let's add some padding to the below of this. Okay, now you can see we have to use this again, so let's copy this. Okay, and here we can also paste this. Here let's copy this, and here also we can paste this. Okay, here we can write this at team. Okay, here we can write trusted. Here we can write this like trusted. This would be gadget repair team. So this would be gadget repair team. Okay, now you can see we have the lorem ipsum here. So we can just copy this and we can just add this lorem ipsum. Okay, here also we can make this width, and here also we can make this like this. Okay, now you can see we have to make this grid, so let me go here. Okay, now you can see we have this 4 by 1, so we can make this 4 and we can make this 1. Okay, and here also we can just make this to the top like 30. So now we can just add a new container here. Okay, now we can just add an image here. Okay, let's use a random image, like we can use this image. Okay, and after that we have this below. We can just put this. Okay, here we can write a box, or you can also write a member box. Okay, and here you can write info, and here also we can make this to white. Let's go to the member box layout, and here we can make everything in the center and 0. Okay, and here we can add some padding like 20. So okay, this padding is not in this. I want to put this padding in this info box 20. Okay, now what we can do, we can just go here, and here we can add a heading. Okay, here we can just put this Ashik Rahman. Okay, and here we can just make this black. Okay, we can make this like 24. Okay, and here also you can add like this and this is a master technician. Okay, and this would be 10. Okay, and we can make this to like a secondary. Now let's go to this info, and here we can make this like in the left side we have 10, and on the right side also we have 10. So let's check this. You can see we have this in the left side, but in the right side also we have. So that we don't want, we want in the bottom side. So let me make this. So now you can see this is looking great. Go to the image, and here also for the border we can have the top and the right side. Okay, like this you can see this is looking great. Okay, now you can see we have this icons also. So how we're gonna make this? So there is a catch, we can just add a new container. Okay, let's add a new container, move this here at the top. Okay, and this is the image. Okay, now it's time to remove this image. Okay, I forgot to add this, so let me show you how you can do that. So let me choose this image. Okay, right now image is not visible, so we have to give some height to this. So display size would be covered, and there would be some height like 400 or 350. 380 would be good, or 370. Okay, and we can just go here, and here we can just give the top and right. Okay, and here also we can just add the 20. Okay, now you can see we have to add the social icon here. Okay, and here also we can make this one, and here also we can just make this custom. Okay, so for the spacing, here we can add some row gap here. Okay, so the row gap would be 5, and this would be, here we can just make this circle. This would be red. Increase the size. Okay, and the image, so we can just do the social icon and we can make everything in the end like this. And also on hover, we can just add this black and we can just add this white. Okay, and this would be here like bob animation. Okay, in this way, and now what we have to do, we have to click on the member box and we can just duplicate this again, and we can also duplicate this. Okay, so you can see this is done.